Hey guys, it's Jones and I'm here with Tanner and we're looking at a 52-inch steel wall pool panel. Now, why do you want a 52-inch wall panel? Mainly because you get extra water depth. I'm about 6 foot tall and this is gonna come out to about in this area. Tanner, how deep would you be? What is your actual water depth?
Your water depth's right at 4 foot. So I'm 5'10", and so that's about the same, right about my chest.
People love this water depth. Typically, if you wanna go with a deeper pool, in the shallow end, you have to cove that bottom out. You can have a true flat bottom with this 52-inch wall panel that's 4 foot deep and not have to cove the bottom of that pool. It's a lot easier to excavate. You have a lot higher water depth when you're just hanging out in the shallow end. Folks love it. Let's talk about the brace as well. So this is the brace for this particular panel style. Now, let me pull this one out. It looks a lot different than the other braces that you see in our videos. So if you've seen our other videos, those are a fold over brace, different brace. We call this the Loctite brace. The reason for that is all these holes that run right along the edge of the brace need to be locked into the panel. So for example, you're gonna go panel, brace, panel. And these all come with several bags of bolts. Now, is it time consuming? Yes, it is, but you're gonna need to take a bolt and nut and secure that through each panel and the brace and tighten those together. We call it Loctite, but you're gonna want to tighten those down securely, making sure that your panel is plumb and level at each joint as you go around the perimeter of the pool. You'll come back in and you'll put your stake in your brace, and this particular brace is notched for that steel stake. Just like in our other videos, the stake goes in the same way, but the brace is just installed separately. It's in the installation manual as well. If you have questions about the 52-inch wall panel or how to install the brace, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at poolwarehouse.com.